Do you know Windshuttle Central now supports Microsoft Office Online?
What is Microsoft Office Online?
Office Online is a subscription-based online office and software plus services suite which offers access to various services and software built around the Microsoft Office.
Do I need to purchase license for Microsoft Office Online?
Yes. Business plans for Microsoft Office Online are available for both small and mid-sized business as well as for enterprise.
W.
Windshuttle currently supports Microsoft Office Online scenario in which Excel is deployed on-premise. So, Office Online Enterprise E3.
What are the advantages of using Windshuttle with Microsoft Office Online?
Firstly, reduce the time to value for customers. SharePoint won't be deployed on-premise as Windshuttle will be leveraging SharePoint Online as a document repository. Secondly, all the licenses will be managed on cloud by a license admin and admin can have a complete view of the license assignment. Lastly, new dashboards and reporting services are available.
So, in a Microsoft Office Online environment I don't require a on-premise SharePoint installation?
Yes.
What are the steps involved in setup?
In the new architecture, Windshuttle Central will start supporting App Model. Windshuttle will be providing Windshuttle Central app in the SharePoint App Store. Windshuttle Central app is a provider-hosted app. The app includes server-side components. Enya's hosted application and web services will be deployed on-premise.
Can I use my existing Microsoft Office Online credentials to log in into Central?
Yes.
Can I use my AD credentials to log in into Microsoft Office Online?
For using AD credentials, you need to set up a DFS server.
That is really informative. Thanks a lot. Whom should I contact in Windshuttle for more details?
Just drop an email to mark.truana@windshuttle.com.